The third short pin. The fourth short stitch is a reduction stitch. The second set is finished. Then there are 4 more groups. We'll finish it together. Loop 20 is over. Remove the marker buckle. End of drawing. Pull the line and hook a standing pin. Loop 21 consists of 6 sets of 4 short pins and a reduction pin. That's 30 stitches. Now let's check the first group. Hook the first short needle where the length is drawn. Marking buckle. Second pin. The third short pin. The fourth short needle. 1 reducer. Pick the outer half of the 2 stitches. Drawing lines. Regulating. This is the merging of 2 needle points into 1 needle point. That'll finish the first set. And then we'll check the second group. The first short stitch. Second pin. The third short pin. The fourth short stitch is a reduction stitch. That'll finish the second set. Then there are 4 more groups. We'll finish it together. Loop 21 is over. Remove marker buckle. End of drawing. Tension coil. Hook a standing pin. Loop 22 is made up of 6 sets of 3 short pins and 1 reduction pin. That's 24 shots in all. Now we're going to hook the first set. Hook the first short needle in the place of the draw. Marking buckle. Second pin. The third short pin. 1 reducer. Just pick the stitches and half a stitch out of the eye. That'll finish the first set. Let's check the second group. A short needle. 2 short needles. 3 short stitches and 1 reduction. That'll finish the second set. Then there are 4 more groups. Let's finish it. Loop 22 is over. Let's take off the marker. End of drawing. A raised pin. Loop 23 is made up of 6 sets of 2 short pins and 1 reduction pin. That's 18 stitches. Now let's go ahead and check the first group. Hook the first short needle where the lead is drawn. Marking buckle. Second pin. One reducer. Pick the outer half of the 2 white stitches. Drawing lines. Regulating. That'll finish the first set. And then we'll check the second group. A short needle. Two short needles. One reducer. The second set is finished. Then there are 4 more groups. We'll finish it together. Round 23 is alpha. Remove marker buckle. End of drawing. Tension coil. Hook a standing pin. Round 24 is made up of 6 sets of 1 short stitch and 1 reduction stitch. That's 12 stitches. Now we're going to hook the first set. Hook the first short needle in the place of the draw. Marking buckle. 1 reducer. That'll finish the first set. Then check the second group. A short needle. 1 reducer. The second set is finished. Then there are 4 more groups. We'll finish it together. Round 24 is alpha. Remove the marker buckle. Mark the location of the buckle. End of drawing. Tension coil. Hook a standing pin. Stretch the thread. We will now add the filler cotton. After stuffing the cotton, let's hook round 25. The 25 turns are made up of 6 reducing pins. Now let's start with the first reduction stitch. Pick the outer half of the 2 stitches. Drawing lines. Regulating. Marking buckle. Second reducer. Then there are 4 more reduction pins. We'll finish it together. Round 25 is over. We take off the marker. Draw in the position of the mark buckle. Pull the thread tight. Hook a standing pin. Pull a little string tight. It can be used to hide the thread. Then disconnect. And then seal this mouth. You can pick the other half. Add the hard stitch. Put the wire in. So the main part is finished. If it's not round enough, you can pinch it a little bit. Now let's hook the ears. The first circle of the ear is looped. 3 short needles. Hook a standing pin. Hook the first short needle. Marking buckle. Second pin. The third short pin. Tension coil.